Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In today's video, ow, my eyelash is poking my eyeball, it's killing me. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix bad makeup. I'm gonna be showing you how to get this to look better, or to what I consider better. So without losing any time, let's just jump right into it. Oh, my precious little eyeball. Oh my god, I can't wait to take off these falsies, you guys. I wanna rip them off my eyes and throw them away forever. So false lashes, as you can see here, the inner corner, I hate when this happens by the way. The inner corner, it's not really blended with my natural lash line. You can see it there, you know, it's so annoying. So you definitely want to avoid that if you want your lashes to look natural. And also, do you know those things that people put on their balconies? They look something like this, you know, people use them to get some shade on their balconies. Yeah, you don't want your lashes to look like that. You don't want your lashes to be pointing down or straight. You want them to point up to the sky. Mine are not even, you guys. The one is pointing there, the other one is pointing there. That's a mess. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off my lashes first. Ow. Freedom. Wow, that relief. My eyes feel normal again. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my eyes are a little red today. That's because of the lashes, because I had them like stuck in the most uncomfortable position ever. And my eyes, like that's how my eyes are complaining about it. I'm telling you, they were poking my eyeball, they were destroying it. We're gonna go back to the lashes in a while. I'm gonna put them back in their box so that I don't accidentally step on them. Yeah, it happens way more often than you actually think. Alright, so what do we have here? Let's do a little... I forgot the word. We have eyeshadows that are very roughly applied. We don't have any blending going on. Everything looks like I had an eyeshadow palette and I just... This was so close to a disaster. I should not be demonstrating dangerous stuff like that. I was this close to breaking my nose with an eyeshadow palette. That would have been an interesting story though. I'm gonna take a flat brush and I will load it with an eyeshadow that is kinda similar to my skin tone. And in order to start diffusing these really rough lines here that we have, I'm gonna apply that eyeshadow that is kinda similar to my skin tone right on those harsh lines. Yeah, show them who's the boss. And this will help me blend them out tremendously. I'm gonna take some of that eyeshadow that I already had on my eyelids, the one that was very roughly applied. I'm gonna take some of it on my blending brush, tap off the excess, maybe take a little bit more, tap it off again, and you're gonna start placing that eyeshadow on the harsh lines again. Left and right, left and right. Look at this line that we have here. Yeah, we want to get rid of it too. Okay, so now we have something like this. As you can tell, we don't really have any harsh lines anymore, but I don't like that gray eyeshadow it's going way too high up. I don't like that, so I need to fix it. If you blended your eyeshadows too high towards your brow bone, here's what you can do. I'm gonna take a basic flat brush, nothing really fancy, and I'm gonna load it with some of this white matte eyeshadow. You wanna go with an eyeshadow that is very bright, a lot lighter than your skin tone, or a lot lighter than your eyeshadows that you already have on your eyelid. And this is going on my brow bone. You want to pat that eyeshadow on your brow bone, and then you can also kind of start doing small tiny dragging motions down, little swipes down like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and just go over everything and make sure that the gray eyeshadow that I have in my crease is nicely diffused into the white eyeshadow. before, after. And we're not even done yet. This is not the final look. We need to do some more touch-ups. This is the palette that I used to do this, and this is the same eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna use to fix it. ColourPop Smoke Show eyeshadow palette. This is such a nice eyeshadow palette, you guys. I love the ColourPop eyeshadows. They're so easy to work with, and they're also very affordable. Take one of your flat brushes that you just used, load it with some black eyeshadow. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I will add it in my outer corner here. I want my outer corner to be the darkest part of this whole look. I'm applying that black eyeshadow using patting motions, just boom, 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 boom. And if there is a harsh line, take your blending brush and get rid of it. Again, left, right, left, right, left, right. Maybe if you want, you can switch to some circular motions. Just do whatever feels comfortable, but blend your eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna take a good old baby wipe. Now, if you're feeling fancy, you can also use a makeup wipe. I hope you didn't trim your nails before this. If you did, good for you. But you will need your nails for this part. I'm gonna stretch that baby wipe on my nail here because I want to create a nice, crisp, sharp line. So I'm gonna use my nail for this. I'm not sure if it's okay to use baby wipes on my face. I'm not sure if my skin is okay with them. Although people are using them on their babies, like my face should be fine, I hope. I've heard some people being like, you should not use baby wipes on your face. And I'm like, okay, alright, I'm risking it. Using baby wipes is my extreme sport of choice, okay? Back to the makeup. I created a very crisp, very sharp line from my lower lash line pointing all the way to the tail of my brow. And then I'm gonna use that as my guideline for my eyeliner. So I'm basically going to follow that line that I just created. Taking a step back, whoop, let's see what we've done so far. Before, after, so much more blended, so much more fierce. Looking fierce is like so difficult for me because no matter what I do, I always look like I'm trying too hard. Like I never look like fierce, like every time I try to look fierce, I always look like I just witnessed someone eating the last slice of pizza. How dare you! I got a little too excited for my eyeliner and I forgot about my shimmers. Not my proudest moment. Shimmers are always top priority for me. I don't know what happened today. Now this next step, if you can, do it before you fix your eyeliner. Oh my goodness. This right here is glitter glue. It comes in this kind of cream formula, and once you start blending it on your eyelid, it gets a little sticky. Nothing crazy though. It gets just a tiny little bit sticky, just enough to hold the glitter or the shimmers or whatever. And now very quickly before it dries out and it stops being sticky anymore, I'm gonna take some of that eyeshadow and apply it on top of it. And this, my friends, is how magic happens. And now I'm taking my blending brush and I'm gonna blend that black eyeshadow into the shimmers. Like this. I will need to also redo my eyeliner because, you know, the shimmers kind of covered it there. But if you're smarter than me and you do this step before you apply your eyeliner, you won't need to do this. So be smarter than me. That's what I'm trying to teach you here. Ever since I discovered that I can use glitter glue to boost my shimmers, I can't stop talking about it. My shimmers without glitter glue, my shimmers with glitter glue. This is the same eyeshadow. Not gonna say anything else. Now the one mistake that I did with that first look was that I didn't curl my lashes and coated them with mascara before I added the falsies. Now I'm looking for my mascara. I'm gonna use this one here by e.l.f. This is a very nice mascara. I like the wand. I haven't really tested if it's long lasting, to be honest with you. I haven't really tested how it looks after a few hours, but I like the wand. I like this little bow that it has. But yeah, now I'm gonna coat my lashes with some mascara, get them ready for the falsies. That way the falsies will blend with my own lashes and everything will look more natural. Pay attention how when I'm applying my falsies, they're pointing up. This is very, very important. Back to the baby wipe. I'm gonna remove all these excess eyeshadow that I have under my lower lashes. It's just a little bit too much for me, you guys. It's a little bit too much. With so dark looks, I always like really making my under eye area to look as flawless as possible. Obviously you can't make it so flawless to perfection, but you can make it look a lot more even, a lot more bright. I color corrected, now I'm adding some concealer. Blending, you guys, blending, that's the key word. See, already without even applying eyeshadows, it looks so much better, so much more bright. Just try to make the skin tone under your eyes as even as possible. If you're looking for a very full coverage concealer, this one here by Yayy is awesome. And now for my lower lashes, you guys know that I don't really like intensifying my lower lash line too much. I like keeping everything just in the outer half. So that's what we're gonna do today. Take a small brush, something small, something tiny, something that you can be precise with. I'm gonna take some of that same gray eyeshadow that I have on my eyelid, and I will start applying it very, very, very closely to my lashes, keeping it in the outer half. Sometimes some eyeshadow gets in my eye and it's the worst feeling ever. Also, why my hands can't hold things today? I wish it was only today. Blending it out. When you're blending, you're also getting rid of some of the intensity. You're kind of toning that eyeshadow down. This naturally happens with blending. It's not something that you should worry about. But now I'm gonna take some of this black eyeshadow. I don't know why I always get so excited when I'm about to apply a very intense, very dark or very colorful eyeshadow. Beige and brown eyeshadows, they're nice, but they don't excite me, you know? Although they're mainly what I'm wearing, so I don't know. I'll take some of that metallic eyeshadow again, spray it with some setting spray. No need for glitter glue here. The setting spray will act as our booster this time. If you don't have glitter glue, you can just do this instead. Spray your brush with some setting spray, dip it in that eyeshadow, start applying it on your eyelid. So yeah, I'm basically just bringing that eyeshadow along my lower lashes. Alright, do you guys even remember how this eye looked when we first started? Oh my god, this is such a transformation. Now I have some work to do. I want to fix this eye and make it look like this one, so I'm gonna do that very quickly. Usually it wouldn't take me that long to do, but I just love explaining you guys what I'm doing, and I hope that these kind of videos are useful. I usually show you how to do your makeup, but I'm not really showing you how to fix your mistakes. And maybe you're doing something wrong. Maybe you're doing your makeup, it's not coming out how you want. You can see that something is not right, but you can't really pinpoint what it is. So hopefully with this kind of reversed makeup tutorials, you learn something new. And definitely let me know if you want to see more of this. Maybe we can do this same kind of video but with very colorful makeup look, or with a cut crease. Let me know if you want to see more of this. I can't believe that this look is this look. Same eyeshadows, same eyeliner, same falsies, same everything. The magic of blending. So that's all for today. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Gently press that like button. I also have a second channel here on YouTube. I haven't posted for a while, but I promise I'm gonna start being a little bit more active there too. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.